Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO A77s, and now I'm gonna show you how to set color ID announcement on this device. To do it, firstly you need to open the phone application, then find here, so you will have keyboard open, so you need to close it. Click on the back button, then click on the three dots button on the right top corner of your screen, then click settings, scroll down, find color ID announcement, announce color ID, then choose always or never, I don't know what you want to use, or when you're using headset. For example, I like this feature. For example, when I ride a bike and my smartphone is in my backpack, I can use this feature to hear who calls. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.